It's Dombomb and Cic. Today we are doing chocolate Lucky Charms St. Patrick's Day special. And there is this is what the box looks like. There is a coin, a 4-leaf clover, and a pot of gold. You ready to try it?
Ooh, chocolate instead of...
You didn't, it's literally in the name.
No?
Yeah, it says chocolate Lucky Charms.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Gee, that's a lot of milk.
Okay, let's smile it. It smells chocolatey.
Okay.
Ready to try it? It's like a mix between Cocoa Puffs and Lucky Charms.
Okay.
Really good.
Here's the pot of gold.
Pot of gold.
What do
Oh,
you-
this looks like the box. If you look at it, this is a trap of some kind because it says at the bottom here, have an adult help with the cuts cut along the dotted lines. When Lucky crosses the bridge, it will fall and send him sliding into a trap. So I don't know, this looks like it comes with a built-in leprechaun trap.
We're working on a leprechaun trap.
You're working on one, and how's that going?
Okay.
Okay, so compared to regular Lucky Charms, what do we think? I know what Sis is gonna say.
I love it.
You love these?
Yeah.
More than regular Lucky Charms?
Yeah.
What about you, Cicely?
1 to 10, I'd probably pick 10.
You
Hey,
would
turn your milk chocolate.
You would pick these
Mhm.
because you love chocolate and marshmallows
Nom, nom.
and everything delicious.
Yep.
Okay, and what are the marshmallow shaped coins, clovers, and pots of gold?
Yeah.
All right.
No, because
So do you think, this is a special edition, do you think that Lucky Charms should make this year round?
yes, I do.
What about you?
Just maybe
You have a
change,
marshmallow on your face.
maybe change it from those to the normal ones.
Oh, but they should always make a chocolate
Yeah.
version. Do they? I don't know if they do. I've never looked into it.
Okay.
But-
Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below if you ever get to try this. Bye.